Hi everybody, my name is Anibalazevedo and this is the class number 7 of the second track about how I can apply artificial intelligence in supply chain. So this class we're gonna combine the developments that we made in the last class, in the class number 6, and a car will appear in somewhere, and in the developments we made for the in the class number 5. So what we developed in this class, a car will appear for class 5. We changed the class, the loading rule number 1. That is that there is a car for also this class. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna start code in Google Collab. I already explained it, how we can use this environment. This environment is totally free because I'm using a document in Google Drive. So if you have a Gmail account, you have a Google Drive, and you can use this to code your program in Python. So what's this? This is the code that will be in the description of this video. This is the code of the first loading rule. So, and also we need the code for container ship class that defines how we can use how we can load or unload a container ship. This is a kind of grid. This the code defines the space of a container ship. So I will paste this, okay, and also I will insert a cell. This cell would be a cell that we can put some text. Also, we use this mark, not that. We're gonna use this mark. And number 2, this is the loading rule. Number 4. So what is this loading rule? It fills container ship from starting from, so here, starting from, okay, last bay. So starts from the bay, from the last column, and can be also the the last row, or no, the first row also always, because we can have in float containers. So first row, okay. So how we can code this? We're gonna show. Just before this, we can hide this code and hide this one. And this is very interesting to move the order of things, because we should start the program defining the container ship, the space, the regular space, and this function that draws this, how this regular space is occupied with the cargo. Okay, so this is the container ship, a simple representation. Okay, so, okay, now we can code here. We can start to code. As I said, I can use this code from the loading rule 1. And why I'm doing this? Because I already explained this in previous videos. And this is the index for the first base. So I start in the first base, not in this rule, okay? I start in the last bay index. So it's the size of the number of bays minus 1. And I should also change this condition to stop the loop. Also, I should change this. Okay. So it I also start in the last column. For every bay, I start in the last column. Okay. So finally, I have coded the rule number 4. So the rule number 4 will be this one, and I can do this. Okay, it gives him some error, Index 4 is out of bounds. So I made some, okay, this is right. This is right. Oh, this is also right. But I didn't update the update of index, so I have to change it to minus one here. So I have to change the first index, the condition, and the update. So it's the result. I started in the last bay, in the last column of the last bay, and then we move to the first bay and starting the last column. So it's a kind of, I'm using the last bay moving according to the second rule, and in the third rule here we started always in the last column of every bay, starting in the first bay but in the last column. So these are the results for these loading rules. As you can see, we are producing very simple rules, very simple way to produce rules, but that is the whole idea. So what else? I can produce two more loading rules, but I will show in the next videos how you can produce two more loading rules, making always the program simple and keep things simple. That's it. Thank you for your attention. I hope you find this video interesting and useful, and I hope you in the next video also. Bye!